Mr. O'Malley here. Hope you're all doing well. Those of you at home, I hope you're keeping well at home, keeping nice and warm away from the wind and all the rain that we've had. And those of you at school, hope you enjoyed being in school this week. It's been really strange. It's been very quiet around school, but I've enjoyed seeing you guys who are here, and I've really enjoyed the Zoom calls that have been going on as well. So big well done to all of you for all the learning you've been doing. It's been fantastic, and all the feedback that we've heard has been great. Now I'm here today to talk to you about RE. So I'm going to put a presentation on the board for you to have a look at, and I'm going to talk you through it. And hopefully we're going to go through our word of the week as well. So hopefully you'll be able to see my presentation. Okay, so RE stands for religious education. So a religion is something that lots of people believe in, and it helps them make sense of the world. So it might be something they believe about how the world was made. It might be rules that they believe in, that they want to live their life by, or it might be something really deep, like why are they here? What is their purpose in the world? So in RE, we look at 6 different religions, and I've put the symbols for each religion on the board. What I'd like you guys to do is pause the video, and if you're at home, try and work out what each of these symbols represents. Which religion does each symbol represent? If you're at school, this would be a good chance to pause the video, have a discussion as a class, and then hit play when you're ready. So give it a go, and once you're ready, hit play. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. I think everyone probably knows what this one is. Christianity, which is actually the most popular religion in the UK, but of course we have lots of other religions in the UK as well. How about the star? Does anybody know what that means? Judaism. So year 1, you've probably started looking at Judaism this year. How about the next one? The blue circle. Any ideas? Hinduism. So year 2, I know we've been looking at Hinduism recently. How about the one in the corner? Year 3, you might know this one. Sikhism. Then we have the green moon and the star. Islam. So year 4, you might well have seen that symbol or heard the word Islam. I know you've been learning a lot about Islam recently. And in the final picture, we have a golden wheel. Any ideas? Year 5 in particular, maybe year 6 as well. Buddhism. So those are our 6 major religions that we look at in RE. Okay, it's time to introduce our new word of the week. So our word of the week is, drum roll please, and stop. Our word of the week this week is culture. Now, culture is quite a difficult word to explain, but I'm going to try and explain it as best as I can. A culture is a collection of things which makes a group of people or a community of people different from everybody else. So each group or community that you might be a part of has their own special values. They might have their own special beliefs. They might have their own art or music or dance. They might even have their own laws or religions or even their own traditions. So traditions being things that they might do every week or every year, which are special to them, which makes them different from everybody else. So to really start understanding what a culture is, I'd like you to think about what culture do we have here at school. So have a pause of the video, have a think or a talk about these kinds of things around the screen. What special values do we have at Cuxton that make us special? What beliefs do we have that make us special? What laws do we have that are different from others? Maybe what traditions we have as well. So pause the video and think about examples of these things around the edge that we have at Cuxton, and then hit play when you're ready. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to talk about that. Let's go through some of the ideas that I came up with, which you might have shared as well. So lots of you might have talked about our values. So at Cuxton, we have our own special set of values. And the reason they're a special set of values is because these are unique to us. No other school has exactly the same values as us. That makes us special and different from other schools. That's part of our culture. So obviously we aspire to always do our best in everything we do. We show respect to everyone and everything, inside of school and outside. We explore by trying new things and not being afraid of mistakes. We believe in ourselves, we never give up, and we always show determination and resilience. We're a community, so we always support each other's learning and we look out for each other's well-being. And of course, we always do our best to enjoy our learning here at Cuxton as well. So those are our values that make us different and special. Another part of culture is laws, or laws are things or rules that are put in place to keep people safe. Now, we don't have laws here at Cuxton to keep us safe. We have rights. So these rights, again, like our values, are special to us. No other school has exactly the same rights or laws as we do. This is part of our culture. This is what makes us special. So we respect everyone and everything in school and outside of school. We allow ourselves and others to learn, and we keep ourselves and others safe. So that's another example of something that makes us different from other schools. We have our own special rights, which form part of our culture. Traditions. So of course, we have our own traditions at Cuxton as well. We have sports day every year. We have our celebration and values assemblies every week. And another thing which makes us stand out from most other schools is Cuxton's Got Talent. That's a huge event that we have every year during the summer. And I can't think of another school that does Cuxton's Got Talent. That's something very special and unique to us. So again, that's a tradition that's very important to our culture here at Cuxton. Now, with religions, we don't have one religion here at Cuxton. Some of us follow different religions, and that's where RE comes in. Because with RE, we don't want to tell you what to believe. We just want to show you what other people believe. And then hopefully, as time goes on and you move through the RE lessons, you'll start being really confident in thinking about what you guys believe in. You'll be confident in thinking about how you think the world might have been made, how you think we should behave, what rules we should live our life by. So it's really important to remember RE isn't there just to tell you what to believe. It's just to make you aware of what other people believe and think, and hopefully give you the confidence to form your own beliefs and give you that freedom of thought, which we really, really encourage at Cuxton. So I just wanted to say, guys, I want to say a massive thank you for your attention during that assembly. And I hope I managed to explain culture and in enough detail, because culture is a difficult word to understand. But I think we have a really strong culture at Cuxton. And I think over the next week, it would be really nice for you to try and use that word in lessons or outside of lessons and think really hard about how we promote a really positive culture. What makes our school special and unique and different from other schools? Because we have a lot to be proud of. And I, for one, am particularly proud of every single one of you for all of the fantastic home learning you're doing and all of the perseverance and resilience you're showing as part of our community. If you're learning at home, you're still part of our Cuxton community. And I want to say thank you to everyone at home and at school for still being part of that community and showing our school values. So I'm going to leave it there, and I hope all of you have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll look forward to seeing some of you hopefully quite soon. Take care, stay safe, and look after yourselves. Bye for now.